Hi friends, this is Press and of course nandito tayo ngayon sa Laguna Shooting Range guys, and of course nandito na naman si Press guys para i-review ang napaka sought after na firearms na na lumabas sa Philippine market. So yun, samahan niyo ako guys, which is the Canik SFX Rival guys. Yan guys, unbox natin to, so paputukin na rin natin dito. So yun, samahan niyo. Yan of course guys, ito unbox natin tong Canik SFX Rival guys. Yun guys, this is Press again, and of course test na natin to live fire itong Canik SFX Rival. Yan guys, check natin pa na performance niya. So yun, firing. Round. Well guys, sa pan-testing the Canik SFX Rival, ang ganda ng patama niya. Of course, it's a 5-inch barrel, and of course nakaka-help din talaga yung slide cut niya dito sa front and sa side niya. Ang ganda niya, purely for competition. Ang ganda rin pagka na-eject ko yung kasi extended yung niya, yung mag release niya. And of course, very smooth. Of course, yung trigger niya, ang ganda. Yan guys, yun ang maasahan sa Canik. So if you want a competition gun na maganda, maasahan, reliable, and of course very accurate, you can't go wrong with this Canik SFX Rival guys. So yun lang guys, this is Press checking Canik SFX Rival.